Having a rough day at work? With horticulture therapy, it's no surprise that you can recharge and de-stress. Just the thought of interacting with plants can boost your physical and mental well-being. It can also be a fun and social activity by involving friends and family. Whether it's gardening or simply having plants in your home, horticulture therapy includes all kinds of activities involving plants. More formally, it is facilitated by a registered therapist to achieve specific goals. Therapy in addition to an established treatment or rehabilitation plan can be very helpful. The process itself is considered as the therapy rather than the rewards from plants like fruits or flowers. Engaging in such activities enhances quality of life and drives your focus away from stress. There's no greater joy than being involved in all the phases of gardening. From growing and taking care of plants and selling products. The findings of many studies suggest that just being in nature, walking through a garden or a park can improve your mood. It boosts your state of mind and lowers blood pressure, heart rate and your stress hormone levels. This can also lead to a longer and happier life. But involving a trained therapist has a lot more benefits. Research shows that horticulture therapy is an excellent alternative to recovery at mental health facilities. The therapy can have a long-lasting effect on people. It can help you learn new skills. It improves memory, interaction and socialization with the community. Moreover, it has physical benefits like better endurance, balance and stronger muscles. Therapy boosts problem solving and learning to work without assistance. It teaches green skills so that people can learn a trade and get jobs. Natural environments boost your health and well-being by acting as a distraction from stress and anxiety. Above all, there are excellent restorative and relaxation benefits of being in the hands of nature. Just looking at plants through a window has amazing healing powers. Being surrounded by plants and nature fosters your mood, regulates emotions and lowers stress. The stress response factors also include pulse rate, blood pressure and your current mood. Gardening has a lot of benefits for our physical and mental well-being. Keen observation of a plant's journey from a seedling is a part of horticulture therapy. The growth of plants is very similar to the mental health recovery process. People are usually worried that their seeds won't grow. But when a sapling starts growing, we gain confidence in our actions. As the plant grows, so does your confidence and self-esteem. Seeds are the miracle of nature, which know exactly when the conditions are good to start growing. This success, however small, is enough motivation to start growing more plants. The experience can be so mesmerizing that you will remember these moments for a long time. But wait, the fun doesn't stop here. Taking care of plants also has physical benefits. Working with soil and trying to create the perfect environment for your plants also helps burn a lot of calories. All the digging, pulling and planting increases your hand strength. A wide variety of horticulture therapy programs are available in healthcare settings. They can also be grouped by the goals you want to achieve from therapy. The programs also document participant outcomes to get feedback and help improve the program. There are 3 kinds of programs. First is vocational horticulture therapy, which aims to enhance your behavior and learn skills that can be used in a job. It includes activities like watering and moving plants within a space or repotting. Furthermore, all the skills of gardening and plant care to sales and services can be learned through therapy. Secondly, therapeutic horticulture therapy is all about improving social skills, engagement and physical activity. Some of the activities include watering plants, digging, planting and observing plant growth. This ensures both the mind and body have a lasting impact. New plants can boost confidence and bring joy. Lastly, social horticulture therapy focuses on a better quality of life by growing a community. It's more of a leisure activity as compared to other therapy. It works towards teaching self-reliance while growing your support system. Horticulture therapy has its roots dating back to ancient times. In fact, plants have always given us food and shelter over the years. Our ancestors evolved along with plants over the course of thousands of years. With this in mind, we use this ancient connection with plants for therapy. Therapeutic gardens have gained popularity and interest over the years. These gardens are designed to provide relaxation and horticulture therapy. With this intention, a variety of plants are selected. These plants enhance sensory stimulation and attract biodiversity. The interaction may be passive or active based on your needs and the garden design. These gardens improve our memory and encourage us to exercise. Physical activity is a vital part of most horticulture therapy programs. Healing gardens promote relaxation, restoration and horticulture therapy with a wide variety of plants. The aesthetics of nature are also appreciated in these gardens. It is very beneficial for people suffering with dementia and Alzheimer's disease. A therapeutic garden features sense-stimulating plants focusing on various colors, aromas and textures. A grand entrance with wide paths and raised bed plants and containers are welcoming. These gardens facilitate people-plant interactions. Hence, they target the needs of specific people in a horticulture therapy session. Not to mention this enables the therapist to use the garden to engage participants in activities. Most landscape designers and therapists work together to create such gardens. With this intention they can achieve their goals of meeting people's needs. If you love working with plants, you could make a career in horticulture therapy. You will create an amazing experience for people using your skills in horticulture therapy, plant and human science to provide therapy sessions. Many universities offer degrees specializing in horticulture therapy. Accredited certificate programs are also a popular option to pursue a career in horticulture therapy. It helps you be analytical by developing leadership and people skills. It's vital for therapists to be resourceful and continuously develop their skills with professional trainings. As a therapist, it's crucial to have great patience, empathy and confidence to help people. And also maintain therapeutic diagnostic skills and knowledge on therapy techniques throughout their career. Some therapists take their career to the next level by starting independent consultancy. However, most therapists work with rehabilitation teams as educators and community providers of horticulture therapy. Feel free to ask questions in the comments section below.